Now, NVIDIA could be one of the most important stocks out there at the moment on the global stage. But what's happening to their price? In today's chart of the day, I look at the technical analysis and unravel the picture. Hello, I'm Stephen Ho, trader and founder of TheStopHunter. So before we can carry on, a risk warning for you to pay close attention to. The content in this video is not investment advice, so please seek the advice, help of financial professionals or financial advisors before investing and trading. And trading and investing involves a high degree of risk and your money is at risk, so be very careful. So with that out the way, let's get on with the analysis. So straight into the weekly line chart for NVIDIA, and it's been one-way traffic really since 2019 up to those recent highs around the 230 area. It did pause September 2020 through to May of this year through the 61.8 50% Fibonacci lines, which was a range of between 154 and 130 on the price. It spiked up again to new highs, then created that second yellow block you can see there in the summer of this year, between 175, 180 to 200. Then it went up to those highs and it's just currently pausing. Support, if it fell back, probably back at that 190 area, and then below that down to the mid 150s, but currently looking really strong. So what is the daily Heikin-Ashi chart showing us? Well, if we go straight down to the signals, actually we're seeing a pullback in the short term, maybe more neutral to weak bearish as that price consolidates at the new highs. Volatility is quite reasonable, around 20-30% annual at the moment, so nothing spectacular. And if we look at volume, it has been drawing down after that recent runoff and feeling more neutral. And then straight onto the price, well, we broke out of the box and had the buy signal in sort of August time, then coming back into the box setup, so looking more neutral there. And I've drawn on the regression lines there, 2.33 standard deviations, just to show you that 99% of that price is banging in between that highs and lows of that regression trend range. So all in all, at the moment looks like it's just pausing slightly at these high levels to decide where it's going next. So at the moment, looking at that sort of weak bullish setup on the Heikin-Ashi daily. So on the Renko chart, I've used a $2 block size, and if we go straight to the signals, it's bullish, but just coming off and looking like those signals are weakening a little bit. And in terms of price trend, very strong and up. I've put two Fibonacci setups on there. One is a longer term standard Fibonacci retracement setup, and the other one's using the recent trend from that breakout in sort of May of this year to give us some idea of levels and targets. And to the downside, if it falls back from here, we can see strong sort of support, double Fibonacci overlay there around the 190 area, so that could be its pullback, so reasonable downside there. And then under that, maybe the early 170s, and to the upside, if we can break here, it's 240, 250, and then from there we've got strong double overlap again on the Fibonacci's around 277, 280 area, and above that it looks like the 300. So all in all, the Renko looking bullish, but just slowing down a bit at the moment, and it's fallen back into those two orange lines, which is the bands there, the Donchian bands. So again, maybe feeling a bit more neutral, weak bullish overall. So let's summarize the technicals for NVIDIA. Well, if it wasn't for that recent pullback, then I'd have given it a bullish overall opinion, but with the current setup, it's just looking a bit weak bullish, maybe as it pauses for a bit of breather. But we go to the Heikin-Ashi, sort of more neutral, sort of weak bullish feel than the Renko, but overall still looking quite bullish. And if we're focusing on the targets, very good upside still, 5 to 1, 7 to 1 ratios there on a more aggressive basis, but there's some downside space there, risk return 3 to 1, 4.5 to 1, so there's something there. But overall, I'm going to give this a weak bullish technical analysis overview just for the moment, but we'll still be thinking of it as maybe more bullish in the longer term. So there you go, maybe NVIDIA taking a pause at the moment for breath before maybe pushing up further higher, but they really are a stock that's involved in so many things in today's life and technology, and are really an important stock to follow. What do you reckon to the future of their price? Let me know in those comments below. Interesting to get the discussion going there. And if you've liked today's technical analysis and want to learn more, I'll put a link in the description below. And if you've liked the video, please give us the thumbs up. Don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell buttons to receive further notifications of content I'm going to produce just like this. And all that's left for me to say is thanks for watching, good luck with the trading, and I'll see you in the next video.